Alright, so this is the project for today. These 4 TVs, 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one need to go up here. Be back in a minute.
Kiss your skin. Let the moment settle in.
Alright, so I had to take some measurements. Basically, I got 4 TVs. 1, 2, 3, 4. These little brackets that go in the back. The wall that the TV's going on is 103 inches from the ceiling to the floor. The TVs, when measured top and bottom, will be 65.5 inches. These brackets need to be 32 inches apart. That way I can get the TVs up there nice and snug. These 2 brackets need to be 29.5 inches apart. That way it can fit nice up and tight up next to it. And I'm just going to duplicate this for this last one and throw it right up on the wall. Be back in a minute.
Whisper stories, my lips explore these quad wall glowing. Your motion flowing, you melt into the sound. I lift you off the ground. Closer, even closer. No rush, just exposure. My breath, your throat, your name, I quote. Hands trace your waist. Slow pace, no haste. Let the world fade out. Only you, no doubt. Body speaking, spirits meeting. Time slowing, energy growing. Hey, hey. Moonlight on your shoulder. Inside desire.
It's me in the fresh. There's a 4-banger right there. What size TVs are those? 4 65-inch TVs. That's a 130-inch TV for you right there. Let's go, baby.
I drown, gladly drown. Stay here, don't speak.